In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue an estimate or quote in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the process step by step, making sure you have all the information you need to get started confidently and efficiently. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. You can begin by simply typing Zoho Books into your search engine, or you can directly enter the website address if you already know it. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Next, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to log into your account. You may find that Zoho offers several ways to sign in, either using your email and password, or you might have the option to sign in with your Google account for added convenience. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Zoho Books homepage. This is the hub for all your account activities. From here, head over to the Sales tab. You'll find this on the top menu. It's where you manage anything related to sales, which of course includes issuing estimates or quotes. Clicking Sales reveals a drop-down menu showcasing various options related to your sales processes. Among the options listed, select Quotes. Quotes are essentially the same as estimates and are vital for letting your clients know the pricing and details of the goods or services you'll provide. Clicking on Quotes takes you to a new page displaying any previous quotes you've issued, as well as options to manage them. Now you want to create a new estimate or quote, so look for the New button, usually highlighted and easily accessible. Clicking New will open a form where you can input all details related to the estimate. This form will require information like the client's name, contact details, and any specific terms or conditions they need to be aware of. This next part is crucial. Under Items, you can add the products or services you're quoting. Each entry will allow you to specify quantity, unit price, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Zoho Books makes it easy with auto calculation features that update the total cost for you, which minimizes errors and saves time. Once every detail is meticulously filled out and reviewed for accuracy, you're ready for the final action of clicking Save or Send. If you choose to send the quote directly from Zoho Books, you'll also have the option to customize the email, ensuring it fits your preferred tone and professional style. That wraps up our tutorial. Issuing an estimate in Zoho Books is that simple and efficient. Following these steps ensures you present yourself professionally and accurately to your clients. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.